Hello, and welcome to the EMS Web Map application demonstration using Yavapai County data. Let's start by getting familiar with the display features. The default settings show a Bing street map as the background layer. Using the Background tab in the toolbar, we can transition between Bing aerials, available topo map, and the Bing street map. We can also use the slider to blend these as we wish. The navigation within the map environment is very intuitive. Using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and clicking the cursor and dragging to pan. The Tools tab in the toolbar provides other helpful zoom and pan tools. The Zoom In icon allows us to draw a rectangle around an area of interest and zoom to. By right-clicking in the map environment, we are presented with even more map options, including Zoom Extents and the Help button. Using the Red Line tool under the Red Line tab in the toolbox, we have the ability to draw lines, arrows, and other shapes. To draw an arrow, we simply click on the red arrow icon and place it on the map, increasing its size by dragging the cursor. Simply, we can draw rectangles and other shapes as well, clicking the Clear All Graphics to remove red lines. Buffer Point Query is a very useful tool when in need to obtain a mailing list for residents within a certain distance of the project area or event. In this case, we will input a radius buffer distance of 500 under the Buffer tab in the toolbox, and also check the Buffer Point Query option to the right. Now, using the Identify tool under Tools, we simply click near the area of interest on the map. The Identify window pops up, and here we can use the drop-downs to view the available data, or by right-clicking on the building layer, we get the option to copy data to clipboard. Finally, we can open Microsoft Excel worksheet and paste the data table. We also control layer visibility by toggling the layers from table of contents. We open the layer accordion with a click on the arrow next to the layers in the accordion toolbar. The TOC will appear. Here we can toggle the layers on and off and also blend the layers with the background basement. Clicking on the search accordion opens a search entry where we can search by address, points of interest, and owner name. For example, if we type Olivia, the search yields one hit on the building layer. Now we can click on the search results to zoom to that particular location. The map tip appears showing a name of the owner, address, and the image of the residence. The floor plan can be viewed by clicking on the Open PDF. If we toggle on the Points of Interest layer, a yellow polygon indicates the area that might be of interest to the user. Hovering over the yellow polygon opens a map tip containing a link to their website. In this case, Montessori Children's House. Open by clicking on the Go To website. Toggling on the Assets layer brings up the signs and supports. These are displayed as green points on the map. Hover over a sign and a sign stack tooltip will open showing the MUTCD standard sign and support along with the image of the sign assembly. Clicking the Display tab in the toolbar allows access to the overview map and the predefined bookmarks. Select the bookmark to zoom to. Toggling on the Sewer feature layer brings up the available sewer system, displayed as green line work on the map. Hovering over a sewer line opens a tooltip providing basic information about that particular line. Also, clicking on the Open PDF opens an as-built plan sheet available for that selected sewer line. The create route function under the table of contents allows us to pick a location on the map and receive routing information. Clicking on the route icon from the toolbar, simply place the icon at the start location, then choose the destination from the available drop-down list, or place the icon at the end location. In this case, Yavapai Apache Nation admin is selected. Right-clicking on the defined stops allows us to set the direction of travel by setting the route start and route end. Clicking the Get Direction button to calculate route. The map automatically zooms to the extent of the calculated route. Turn-by-turn directions are available in the Route Group display window. Right-click and select Clear Map to remove routes. Multi-point routing function is also available by selecting multiple route points using the route icon. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will choose a starting location along with 2 destinations. Assigning the order of travel, start and end route, we can click the Get Directions button to calculate. Referring to the bottom of the Route Group window, we can view the total length of the route and the estimated travel time. This concludes the demonstration video. Thank you for your time and attention.